Before using your MagicBax earring lifters, you may wish to adjust the clutch to best fit your earring post. If too tight, place your MagicBax on a flat surface such as a table and insert a credit card or even your fingernail between the two backing clips. If your earring post is too loose, you can tighten the butterfly clutch by pinching the backing clips together. If further tightening is required, you may use needle nose pliers very gently to increase the tension. Be careful not to crush the shape of the clutch itself while tightening. To use the MagicBax earring lifters, simply slide the earring back onto the earring post as you normally would, with the flat back facing your earlobe. Note that the heart-shaped end should be facing up. Adjust until the desired lift is achieved. The silver MagicBax earring backs are 100% sterling silver. Clean with jewelry or silver cleaner as needed. The gold earring backs are gold-plated sterling silver. You may use jewelry cleaner as needed. You may store the MagicBax in their included storage case when not in use.